Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your research and make your own decisions. Palantir is pulling back quite strongly, so we are down 65 cents. 6.20%, closed at 984. Post-market, we are down to 983, so 1 cent down. So after our break from this downward resistance right here, we now had one nice green candle and another one that was just a bit more undecided. It was higher, but it was undecided with the wick at the top and at the bottom. And now we are pulling down a little bit. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this played out during the day. So we opened down, we opened lower, tried to go higher, but then we were pushed down first hour, pushed down second hour, third, fourth, fifth, and now we seem to have a little bit of a push back up at around 982. So 982. We seem to have support there a little bit. We lost the stochastic over 60. Let's go back to the daily chart. We lost stochastic over 60 also on the daily chart. Okay. So when there's a move like this, when we have a pull down like this, we don't need to panic depending on your time horizon. If you are trading mainly on the 1 hour chart, you could have sold at around 10, 14 after having taken this move up. That's fine. And then you can re-enter at some other point. If you are more a longer term investor looking at the daily chart only, this is just considered a pullback. And I would get concerned if we start crossing 947. Which is basically the start of this move outside of this downward resistance. So this is where I would start to think that maybe this is going to go a little bit lower. But we also have this support right here. So we have this support, we have that support. So, we should be doing something like this. We should be coming down a little bit, but then climbing back up. So we'll have to look at what is happening next week to see if this is what is happening. Let's look at the VIX a little bit. I did not look at it on the Tesla video. Yeah, so VIX is continuing to go down. So this is great news. We broke this 2382 support that we had for VIX for a while. So we broke that, and now it's been 2 candles below that thing, and we are still below this downward resistance. Yeah. So stability is coming back into the market. We are happy. Let's look at Dow Jones. Yeah, a little bit of a pullback also with Dow Jones, but we still managed to make a higher low and a higher high. But that's not too bad. S&P 500, higher low, higher high, or vice versa. Still a good stochastic. NASDAQ, a higher low, a higher high, and a lower low. So we are going sideways, still a good stochastic, and NASDAQ 100 like NASDAQ. So, nothing too bad. We are pulling back like normal. Let's hope that we stay above 12,172. It would be nice that we stay here and that we continue on a little bit. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday, unless you are a member, in which case we are going to talk also Sunday. So have a great weekend, everybody, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.